Hello, what's up? We got our tea here. I did not make coffee, I made tea because I don't want to be obsessed with coffee. So we have a package from 4OCEAN, and 4OCEAN is this brand that sells a bunch of different things. They sell they sell shirts. I don't know if they sell hoodies, but they sell bracelets, they sell shirts, they have different things, and they all help a something like in the ocean. So if somebody buys something, it puts money towards taking 1 pound of trash out of the ocean. At least that's what the bracelets do. And so I got a bracelet because a lot of my friends actually have a bracelet. But I specifically saw one of my friends wearing them, and I had seen them a little bit before, and I was like, ooh, that's cute, like, where'd you get it? Or I really want to start helping the earth more, and I really think that all my viewers should too, aka my friends. We are opening it. The bracelet that I got was the manatee bracelet, and it's gray, and it like gives money towards helping the manatees. So this is a little card that you get with it, and it says thank you, and I'll read the little note. It says, thank you. Manatees are gentle and passive marine mammals that use their mouths and flippers to explore the shallow, slow-moving rivers, bays, canals, estuaries, and coastal areas they call home. This means they often ingest or become entangled in marine debris. Their curious and friendly nature often drives them to investigate what other animals would hide from them, including the people in boats. Watercraft collisions are still the leading cause of injuries and deaths. Together with Save the Manatee Club, we're removing trash from the manatees' aquatic habitats and supporting their recovery by increasing public awareness, sponsoring research, and advocating for strong protection measures globally. This bracelet represents your support. So it has at the bottom like a little like manatee thing, and that says Save the Manatees, and I think that's really cute. Anyways, let's finally get to the weight. And then I also got a 4OCEAN sticker that is on a white background, so you cannot see it. This is cute. It comes in a little bag, and it says handmade on the tropical island of Bali, and it has like 4O and their website, www.4ocean.com. And then it's a little pull string bag. I actually used to have one of these, but this one is cute. Oh, here it is. It's super cute, and it like, and down here it has like the gray, and it also has white apparently. So it has gray and white string, and then it also hello, and then it also has like the beads, which are made from recycled plastic, and then we have the little 4O stainless steel charm. So should we put it on my right or left, Mom? Right or left hand? Left. Left? Okay, we're putting it on my left hand because my mom said to put it on my left hand. And I'm pretty sure it's adjustable. Yeah, it's adjustable. Here we go. You just pull these, and I just hold it like this. I'm just going like that to pull it. So now, if you are one of my friends, aka all of you are, pretty much, then you will see me wearing this a ton. Alright, thanks for watching my 4OCEAN haul. See you in the next clip. Hello guys! So right now we are, why did I exit our Safari? I want to go back into Safari, thank you. So right now, we are chilling, we are watching YouTube, we are doing things. We are going to upload a video because, you know, why not? I feel like uploading video. If I ever were to have an upload schedule, I'd want to upload on Thursdays. I don't know if that's going to be the future or not. But anyways, we're going to go upload the video, and I really wanted to show you guys, like, when I upload it, yeah.
I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you.
Sorry, anyways. So we're going to upload a video. All night or 100 years. Is it lovely? Alone, heart made of glass and mind of stone. Tear me to pieces, skin and bone. Haha! Taking a bunch of BuzzFeed quizzes, and it will already be up when you are watching this video, so make sure to go check it out. It is probably the video right before this one, or if it's not, then it's a couple videos before this one. Either way, it's called Taking a Bunch of BuzzFeed Quizzes. So we are going to choose that file right now. See, I love how I told you that I'm going to show you me uploading, but I'm literally just sitting here talking. We love. What we got going on here is a glare. Thank you, light. That will be enough of you? Sure. Okay, down here we have, can I not zoom in? Ah ha ha ha. Anyways, we have the thumbnail loading down here. We love. And then we go up and we have the description, even though none of you read it, and then the title up here. This is just how I upload my videos, by the way. This is loading. It's at 26% currently. Apparently it will take 7 minutes, more like 7 hours, but this is just how I publish my videos, by the way. So I will update you when we are good to go to publish it. We are now going to, the processing is done, and we're going to publish the video now. But here's the thumbnail right here, and I totally actually forgot about this. So yeah, I just like to push publish, and then it will be live. Okay, so make sure to go check that video out. There it is, right there, right next to Child versus Teen and getting my eyebrows done for the first time. Those were posted about the same day, because I hadn't posted in a while. So there it is, guys. Make sure to go check it out. It is great. I loved it. I had so much fun with it. And also, while you're there, make sure to go check out my other videos. We are so close to 1,000 views on the best friend tag. How about this? If we get it to 1,000 views, I will do another one with another one of my friends. Yeah, I'm not promising that, but sure. But for now, go check out those two, Taking a Bunch of BuzzFeed Quizzes, best friend tag. Woo!
I can go somewhere that's charger.
Okay, now I'm filming, so.
Everything, man. Steal Dad's charger.
Steal Dad's charger?
Yeah.
As you can tell, I am here at Emily's house. So I'm here at Emily's house, and it is Friday, and we just got back from going to Starbucks and Safeway. Anyways, so we just got back, and from there from Starbucks I got just a iced green tea, which was really good. Anyways, so the other thing that I bought from Safeway is, she hates me for mentioning this because.
Okay, can I prove my point real quick? You better put this in.
Okay.
If you were buying something that saves the earth or something like that, whatever. Okay, it's if you're putting that up on the internet, it's like you want people to be like, oh, she's like amazing for doing that, or like. You want to be rewarded for that. Like, if you want to be rewarded, go ahead, reward yourself, right?
That's
but
what I want to do.
but there's no reason for you to put it out there because it sounds like you just want to do it like for like just fit in or be like, oh, you should save the earth too. Well, obviously you should.
I really wanted people to be like, I wanted to show it on my blog, because like I'm blogging and I love like showing people things, whatever. Yeah, I love hauls, but I don't I'm not like a YouTuber that makes money off of YouTube, so I can't go spend like $500 at Urban Outfitters and show you guys all what I got. So I just like showing you like one thing from my hauls. Woo! Like I got the bracelet, like I showed you guys. Yes, I showed them, and I also made them aware. So I guess it's also considering the bracelet too.
Okay, but to be fair, what what people don't know when they buy that is that even though they're taking out 1 pound of trash, or supposedly taking out 1 pound of trash, what they're also doing is giving that to like a factory, which breaks the plastic down, which takes up pollution, which ultimately ends up.
So it's like turning one kind of pollution into another kind of pollution.
Literally. But and the thing is, with people is like they think, oh, I'm spending $20 on a bracelet. Are you kidding me? Like even if it has the 1 pound of trash involved, there's so much more trash than just 1 pound. So they won't buy another one because they think they're spending $20 or $40 for 2 bracelets. And what they really should be doing is making a GoFundMe page, some kind of charity that people should donate to, that people actually care about the environment, not doing it because the bracelets started money.
Yes, and what I was saying, we were kind of having a mini argument on the way home.
It's not an argument,
But like, it's not an argument, but it's like, what is it called? I forget. Oh, debate. That's what it's called. Thank you. But like, and my comeback to that was that that's a very good point. Like, but for the GoFundMe page, like I said that we're kind of even because less people would put in more money to a GoFundMe page probably because less people care about the ocean. This is so bad to say, but like probably it's probably true that like less people care about the ocean rather than like the bracelet, and like more people would be like, oh, cute bracelet, let me buy it. So less people would do a GoFundMe but put more money in, and more people would buy the bracelet just for like the stylishness of the bracelet or that as well. But that would be more people paying less money than less people paying more money. So I feel like it's kind of even that way.
Okay, what I was going to say is that the thing is with the. I forgot what I was going to say. Hold on. Just wait, let me think for 2 seconds.
Okay, I'm gonna continue. So I got another thing. I haven't even told you what I got, but it's a conditioner because I just needed a new conditioner, and also YouTube ads, which are great because I love YouTube. But like, I wouldn't have found this brand without YouTube, so that's great. But it's a brand called Love, Beauty, and Planet. She has what she's gonna say.
Okay. So the thing is though, more people would donate to those pages or like some kind of fund if it was more of a larger organization. If it was a larger organization that actually was trying to promote this, because more people would know about it, more people that actually follow the people that follow those sites do care about the planet because they're reading about that and they're like, oh, I should start doing something.
Sure. Okay. So what the brand is? Thanks. Now that you got to prove your point, now I can show you the bottle. So this brand is called Love, Beauty, and Planet. I got the conditioner, so she got the shampoo.
I didn't get it because you got the conditioner, okay?
Well, yeah, but anyways, so the brand is called Love, Beauty, and Planet, and this is their shampoo. They have other like scents and stuff, but I got the conditioner version of this. But they're basically a brand that cruelty free, and it also, the bottles are made from 100% recycled plastic. I don't know about the lid, but the bottles are, as you guys know from like my makeup routine and my night routine, if you guys watch those videos, I said that I like to use cruelty-free products, and I saw the ad, and in the ad it just says that it's made from 100% recycled plastic. But like a little disclaimer, I am not putting this on the internet because of what Emily said, that like I want you guys to be like, oh my god, she's saving the earth, she's a good person, like, and I just want to show you guys because like as I said earlier, I love like watching hauls, and also since I like can't buy like a bunch of clothes or something because I don't make like thousands of dollars off of YouTube, I just like to show you guys like one thing that I got as like a package once in a while, or one thing that I like, conditioner. That is all right now. It's a party! It's a party! Woohoo! So she has these lights that are like, she bought them off of Amazon. I was about to get them, but then I got different ones. Because I don't need a party like this, but they're on like this auto switch, and it's like, it's a party now!
Love that angle.
Wait, what if I get up, like, honestly, watch my camera, like, hit the fan.
I know, that'd be so funny.
So that is all that I have for you guys today. I'm speaking quiet because my family's sleeping, and it is the next morning, and I'm about to start the next vlog, which I've never done before, but this vlog was getting a little bit long. So, I'm really excited to do that. But anyways, make sure to like and subscribe if you have not already. And I know this vlog was filled with like a bunch of just like me showing off things that like I thought that apparently saved the planet. I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.